tradition, culture, and heritage.
Can you feel the beat of the drums and hear all the voices singing loud?
One sound, one voice, one festival. One sound, one voice, one Ilocos Sur. Come and sing, dance and sing. Intayon, Ilocos Sur.
Makipaglasa, Intayon, Ilocos Sur. Makipaglasa, come and dance in Ilocos Sur. The part of our culture and tradition we treasure, where the past and the future collide. The celebration begins in Intayon, Ilocos Sur. Through this annual search, the provincial government of Ilocos Sur, together with its partners, of course, continues to empower men to become ambassadors of tourism, culture, and youth development.
Now, each candidate you will see this morning represents the strength and diversity of their municipalities and cities, bringing forward not only their talents and advocacies, but also their commitment to community service and nation building.
Again, as we've said, Mr. Ilocos Sur 2026 is more than just any competition.
It is a celebration of heritage and identity.
A stage where the values of discipline, respect, and resilience shine through.
And through this recognition, we honor young men who stand as future leaders, individuals who will inspire others and represent the Ilocana spirit with pride, dignity, and of course, purpose.
Speaking of leaders, Linox, we'd also like to, of course, acknowledge the presence of our Honorable Governor Jeremias Jerry Singson. Thank you so much, Gov, for your support.
And of course, the Honorable Vice Governor Ryan Luis V. Singson, MPA.
Our distinguished members of the 12th Sangguniang Panlalawigan of Ilocos Sur.
And of course, we likewise acknowledge the leaders behind the successful planning and execution of this celebration, Executive Committee Chairperson and our Provincial Administrator, Sir Marlon F. Tagorda, MPM.
And the Steering Committee Chairperson and Executive Assistant to the Governor, Attorney Jannah Singson, MPM.
Ay maraming salamat po once again. Let's give them a round of applause, please. Palakpakan naman po natin sila, everyone.
All right, with that, we now formally begin this morning's competition. Our candidates will take the stage wearing their local costumes, each thoughtfully inspired by the signature delicacies of their respective municipalities and cities.
So much colors and so much festivities with that, Joanna. This segment celebrates culinary heritage, creativity, and cultural heritage. Ladies and gentlemen, let us now proceed with the Local Costume Competition! Let's begin with Alilim.
Biag, Ilocos Sur. This is Henry Antalan Reynante Jr. Ali Alilem.
The Sweet Heritage of Alilem by Ricky Cheng. This costume draws inspiration from the celebrated sugarcane delicacy of Alilem, Ilocos Sur, particularly balikutsa, symbolizing the sweetness and resilience of the community. The vest and bahag ensemble is enriched with beads and molded details, highlighting the artistry and craftsmanship behind this traditional trade. Completing the look is a single salakot headdress topped with a sarimanok and a shoulder pole carrying baskets of balikutsa, proudly reflecting Alilem's rich cultural heritage. Once again, Municipality of Alilem. Let's welcome Banayoyo.
Charles Darwin B. Buenavista, Binuyog, Banayuyo.
Bunga a Madayaw by Marky Urbano. This Banayoyo costume celebrates the town's rich banana harvest, featuring vibrant yellow and green hues that symbolize the fruit and the hard-working farmers who cultivate it. The design blends playful banana motifs with traditional accents, honoring both the local delicacy and the community's agricultural heritage. Bunga Apamadayaw, the municipality of Banayoyo. Let's welcome Bantay.
Justin Raqueño Alonso Duras Bantay.
Harvest of Righteousness by Josie Caturn by Josie Ramolete. This costume represents Bantay, Ilocos Sur, inspired by its beloved local delicacies, grilled corn and chicha corn, crafted with Abel Iloco fabric, corn husks, and real chicha corn to showcase the town's agro-based livelihood and weaving heritage. The golden backdress and modern salakot symbolize the warmth, resilience, and enduring spirit of the Ilocano farmers who sustain their community and culture. The harvest of righteousness in Bantay. Let us all welcome Burgos.
Salvador Marticio Jr. Ayos, Burgos.
Kakanyahan by Menandro Harold Alistan, embodying the warmth and sweetness of Burgos Kakanin. This costume showcases vibrant color and playful textures inspired by our beloved Balatinio rice cakes. Kakanyahan, Burgos. We welcome to the stage Candon City.
Agbiag Ilocos Sur, Edward Sodi Maruoliero, from the city of love and care, Candon!
Leader of Revolution by Jan Van Pakking. Portraying Isabelo Abaya, the revolutionary hero of Candon City who led the cry of Candon, riding his famed horse as a symbol of fearless leadership that gave birth to a free and resilient city. This delicacy-inspired costume highlights Kalamay and Cornic, enriched by tobacco as Candon's enduring identity, reflecting a heritage forged by courage, sustained by tradition, and proudly preserved to this day. Leader of Revolution, Candon City. Next we have Kawayan.
James Ravi Carter Mendoza, Pardas, Kawayan!
Kawayan Sweet Heritage by Melvin Amistad. Woven with tradition and a flavor so sweet, this Patupat and Sinuman ensemble is a cultural feat. From the banana leaf greens to the rice wrap design, carrying the pride of Kawayan in every line, showcasing a heritage that is truly divine. Every detail reflects the hands of our hard-working Kawayeños, Patupat and Sinuman. Kawayan Sweet Heritage, Kawayan. Next we have Cervantes.
Gamer selects hello, the best, Cervantes!
Great Land's Legacy by Melvin Amistad. This casual Abel ensemble proudly represents Cervantes with rich cultural roots from the Ilocos region. The cream-colored polo serves as a classic base left with green vest that complements the matching green Abel. Once again, Great Land's Legacy by Cervantes. Let's welcome Galimuyo.
Aven, Diniudayan, Guyot, Galimuyot.
Dayag Dagitiman Nalon by Hero Arevalos. The costume celebrates Galimuyod's Arabica coffee with a striking design featuring two woven koribot filled with rice plants and a lady holding a bigao with rice grains and a takore as hand props, symbolizing the town's thriving coffee harvest. Its earthy tones and intricate weaving reflect the rich cultural heritage and the pride of Ilocos Sur's hardworking farmers that makes the municipality of Galimuyod more interesting. Dayag Dagitiman Nalon, Galimuyod. Now let us welcome Gregorio del Pilar.
Barbs G. Ramos, Buelo, Gregorio del Pilar.
Anya Anigapu by Ethel Laya. The costume features a woven basket filled with rice plants, beautifully beaded in shades of yellow and green to symbolize harvest and abundance. A traditional salakot. As a headdress completes the look, highlighting Filipino culture and rural life of Gregorio del Pilar. Anya Anigapu, Gregorio del Pilar. Now we have Magsingal. Next up is Lidlida.
This is Wesley Del Rosario, nakalibtak, lidlida!
Tamay Tilidlida by Marky Urbano. The costume is inspired by itag, the famous smoked pork delicacy of Lidlida, Ilocos Sur, featuring earthy brown tones and rustic textures that reflect traditional curing and smoking. It highlights the rich Ilocano heritage and the pride of Lidlida in preserving this unique culinary tradition. Tamay Tilidlida, Lidlida. Next we have Magsingal.
Jordan Martinez, representing Agrimat Magsingal.
Bamboo Born of Heritage of Magsingal by Ricky Cheng. The Tinubong costume celebrates this unique rice delicacy through symbolic and cultural features. A bahay kubo inspired backdress with 2 wooden baskets on each side, each carrying tinubong with flowing thatched grass beneath to represent the fields and harvest. The look is completed with a bahag-style design in igorot fabric, a traditional salakot headdress, and accents of varied wooden beads that highlight indigenous artistry. Bamboo Born of Heritage Magsingal. Magsingal! Next, we have Narvacan.
Johannes Jaira Cortel, Narvacan na isang sangayan!
This elegant creation unites the town's indigenous tribal heritage with its iconic delicacy, bagnet. Intricate tribal beadwork and symbolic motifs meet metallic textures that mirror the crispy pork belly's golden finish, while warm orange and gold hues evoke both ancestral rituals and the kitchen fires that perfect this beloved specialty. By Jansen Seneca, Narvacan. Let's welcome Quirino.
Junel Camito Gumintong from the land of golden honey. Ang amay ay Quirino.
Anak Timanalon by Wilson Wagayan. This costume represents Quirino and features a carabao, rice plants, and sinuman as symbols. The carabao shows hard work and strength in farming. The rice plant represents agriculture and abundance, and the sinuman reflects local culture and tradition. Together, these elements highlight Quirino's strong connection to farming life and cultural heritage. Anak ti Manalon, Quirino. Once again, we have Salcedo.
Nikos Noel C. Evangelista, Banat Salcedo!
Backbone of a Sweet Future by Simeon Cayetano. Woven into Salcedo's local costume is the backbone of a sweet future, where cacao stands as our pride and promise. From bean to chocolate, it tells a poetic story of heritage nurtured into hope. Backbone of a Sweet Future, Salcedo. Next we have San Emilio.
This is Raven Lopez Laranang, Nakyang o San Emilio!
Golden Tape by Erin Molina. This delicacy costume draws from the Bago tribe's Tape Festival of Municipality of San Emilio, portraying a carabao richly adorned with rice and grain motifs that symbolize harvest and abundance. The golden accents and woven details evoke fermented rice and rice wine, celebrating cultural heritage and festivity. Golden Tape, San Emilio. Now let us welcome Santa.
Cliff Joffer Hanerol galing nato. Paspas Santa!
Nagtaudan Kanawidan Kinasyasino by Cliff Zofer Galinato and Irene Molina. Growing up as the child of a businesswoman, Mr. Santa's costume draws inspiration from his mother's life as a trader of local products from Santa, such as buneng, inabel, homegrown grapes, and the famous balikotsa or sugarcane candy of Ilocos Sur that reach Claveria and Lalo in Cagayan. Inspired by the municipality's rich history and the legacy of Maria Josefa Gabriela Silang, Mr. Santa portrays his mother as a modern hero, showing that hard work, sacrifice, and love for family and country transcend gender. Nagtaudan Kanawigan Kinasyasino, Santa. Next we have Santa Catalina.
Mark Aaron Hasildo. From the Vegetable Bowl of the North, Ascenso, Santa Catalina.
Parabor Tidaga by Marky Urbano. Inspired by the bountiful harvest of Santa Catalina, this costume highlights the town's agricultural wealth. The gold accents symbolize prosperity from hard work and unity. Parabor Tidaga, Santa Catalina. Next, we have Santa Cruz.
Iris, Ronnie, forward march, Santa Cruz!
Sinuman, The Wealth of the Land by Ricky Ching. The costume is a vibrant homage to the agricultural heart of Santa Cruz, Ilocos Sur, honoring the resilience and dignity of the farmers who nurtured the land. It features a radiant golden salakot and a dramatic wooden basket with sinuman symbolizing abundance, prosperity, and the rewards of hard work. Crafted with ethnic fabric, molded gold accents, and acrylic and wooden beads, the costume becomes a living tapestry that celebrates Filipino heritage, pride, and gratitude. Sinuman, the wealth of the land, Santa Cruz. Next we have Santa Lucia.
Jasper Salve Canaria from the peanut capital of the north, Santa Lucia.
Ragsak Timani by Marky Urbano. Costume celebrates the Santa Lucia's Mani Festival with a vibrant design featuring a large woven kuribot filled with peanuts, symbolizing the town's proud harvest. Its earthy tones and intricate weaving highlight the hard work of local farmers Santa Lucia and the rich culture of Ilocos Sur. Ragsak Timani, Santa Lucia. Next we have Santa Maria.
This is Patricio Diego. Move forward, Nalibnos a Santa Maria.
Tudog by Jem Quintero Carpio by Jem Creations. Called forth people to release regional specialties that surely are mouth-watering, convenient, affordable, and most importantly, reflect local culinary traditions. Such great instances are street food called barbecue, fish balls, tokneneng, banana Q, and as far as where your imagination reaches. Ingredients cured with locally made thin bamboo sticks that invites local as well as tourists with their simple appearance yet appetizing aroma and flavor. Tudok, Santa Maria. Next up, we have Santiago.
Joel Raimundo Hermosura from the Santorini of the North. Go, 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 Santiago!
Sagot Tidanum by Marky Urbano. Santiago's fishing tradition using blue tones, net patterns, and fish details inspired by the sea. It highlights the hard work of local fishermen and the town's strong connection to coastal life. Sagot Tidano, Santiago. Next up, we have Santo Domingo.
This is Christopher Duques, Alisto, Santo Domingo.
The Squash Swirl by Mark Leo Aguilar. The ensemble celebrates the rich agricultural heritage of Santo Domingo by reimagining the town's famous squash ice cream as a high-fashion masterpiece. The look features a structural vest textured like a golden waffle cone, adorned with shimmering hand-beaded melts in vibrant squash orange and creamy yellow hues. Completing the look is a stylized vendor's bell and accents that pay homage to the traditional sorbetero, blending local delicacy with avant-garde pageantry. The Squash Swirl, Santo Domingo. Next we have Sigay.
I, Quiniel Inomis, from the coffee capital town of Ilocos Sur, Sinaranay, Sigay.
Designed by Atty Molina, Mr. Sigay's delicacy costume boldly showcases the region's pride through two grand kettles, symbolizing its world-class Robusta coffee. Cradled in his arms is a basket overflowing with coffee products, rich choco coffee delights, and traditional rice cakes, representing the depth of local flavors, craftsmanship, and cultural heritage that define Sigay's identity. Designed by Atty Molina, Sigay. Now let's welcome Sinai.
Joshua Nicolo Mejiliano Kabakungan, from the Garlic Center of the North, Singising Sinait!
Sinait's Living Gold, designed by Jeremy Caparanga. This extraordinary costume celebrates Sinait Ilocos Sur, the garlic center of the North, where garlic is not only a crop, but a cultural identity and a source of pride for every Sinaiteñan. With garlic as tassels, this costume becomes a dynamic tribute to movement, life, and livelihood. A powerful statement that in Sinait, garlic does not simply grow. It flows, shines, and reigns as the true gold of the North. Sinait's Living Gold, Sinait. Now we have Sugbon.
Christian Paul Geb, from the Ube Festival of Ilocos Sur, Sige, Sugbon, Sige!
Pasnek ti Sugbon by Ethel Laya. Famous ube halaya of Sugbon features rich purple tones that represent the color of ube, decorated with beadwork and textures inspired by the smooth and creamy look of the delicacy. Ube and leaf details symbolizes local farming and abundance, while the overall design highlights Sugbon's pride in its traditional delicacy and culinary heritage. Pasnek ti Sugbon, Sugbon. Now we have Suyo.
Elmer Luknagan Jannah, Kapintas, Suyo!
Designed by Randy Biteng, Suyo's kamote delicacy bursts with vibrant color and natural sweetness, nourishing the body and celebrating the rich heritage of the land. Eat kamote, stay healthy. Designed by Randy Biteng, Suyo. Let us welcome to the stage, Tagordin.
John Carlo Garlejo Corpus, in God we trust, Tagordin!
Thanksgiving Warrior by Eri Molina. This costume features the tinubong, a rice delicacy in a bamboo container slowly cooked to perfection, symbolizes every family for all the bountiful harvest from the earth. The inside is a luscious and vibrant brown color, which depicts Mr. Tagordin's warrior-inspired costume, since Tagordinians are courageous, fearless, and brave. Thanksgiving Warrior, Tagordin! And now we have Vegan City.
Chairperson Collado Ubas. Viva Vegan!
Aurelius Longanisa by Mark Leo Aguilar. Aurelius Longanisa, the golden sovereign of vegan, is a regal tribute to Vegan City's iconic longanisa, transforming a beloved culinary heritage into a symbol of royalty, faith, and cultural pride through sculptural gold inspired by St. Paul Cathedral and Ilocano spirituality, balanced by flowing white fabric symbolizing purity and dignity. The costume embodies the harmony of opulence and humility, portraying vegan as a sovereign kingdom where food, history, and identity converge. By Mark Leo Aguilar, Aurelius Longanisa, Vegan City.
Their experience, integrity, and keen judgment ensure that this competition is conducted with fairness, professionalism, and respect for the values that this pageant represents.
I know. Now, ladies and gentlemen, at this time, it is an honor to formally present the individuals who will help us shape the outcome for this event this day.
Please join us as we get to know our esteemed panel of judges.
Let's kick things off with judge number 1, Mr. Benguet 2025. Please give a warm round of applause to Kyle Kimayong. Good morning, and thank you so much for joining us.
Next on our panel is judge number 2, Miss Tourism Philippines 2024, third runner-up. Let's give it up for Miss Mariela Bianca Ako.
A pride of Ilocos Sur as well. Now moving right along, judge number 3, pageant enthusiast and JCI Philippines leader. A round of applause for Mr. Mark Duque. Kapwa JCI natin yan, partner.
Our judge number 4, fashion designer and chairman of the board. Please give a warm round of applause to Mr. Renel Suarez. Good morning,
And
sir.
completing our distinguished panel, judge number 5, Provincial Director of DILG Pangasinan. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for Mr. Gerald D. Galliardo.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our distinguished panel of the board.
But of course, partner, we might be curious about how our judges will be scoring our candidates. Now allow us to briefly present the criteria for judging of today's preliminary competition.
Right, this criteria will serve as the basis for evaluating the overall performance of our candidates throughout the different segments of the preliminary competition.
Now first, masculinity, poise, and personality, which accounts for 30%.
Next, local costume worth 15%.
We then have the swimwear, which is our next part, also worth 15%.
Following that is a bell casual wear with a value of 10%.
Another important component is articulation, which carries 20% of the total score.
Finally, formal wear worth 10%. All of these categories combined make up a total of 100%.
Oh, so much excited for this. And of course, rooting for our candidates who will vie for our title, Mr. Ilocos Sur 2026.
I am thrilled as well, Linux. So we shall now proceed to the segment that highlights confidence, physique, stage presence, and overall poise.
And now we and I see our body yadis of our candidates. Let's start the swimwear competition.
Let's turn up the energy, representing Alilim. Make some noise for Burgos. Next up, Narvacan. Give it up for Santa Maria. It's getting hot on stage, Sigay! Next up is Suyo.